Are you a foodie? Then check out our food channel Spice on YouTube. Subscribe and stay updated with our easy to make and yummy recipes.
Hi, I'm Shruti Hassan and I'm shooting for the cover of JFW. Today's theme is Desi Glam and we're killing it with all the silver bling. One thing I most fear about my dad, I mean, I respect him and I look up to him and I don't want to disappoint him, but I don't fear him. I think though that my dad can have this, I think a lot of dads have it where they don't really say anything and they're kind of like, and then you're wondering, what are they thinking behind that? So I think that's just a dad thing. The last thing that I googled was actually like a microwave recipe for a brownie because I don't have my oven here in Hyderabad, so I wanted to make like a yummy microwave thing, so that's what I googled. My cell phone wallpaper is actually Lord Murugan because I like to carry my faith with me wherever I go. Oh, sweet. Done with book number 1. My favorite street food in Chennai and Hyderabad. Actually, I love the street food in Mumbai. I think Mumbai has an A game in street food. When it comes to Chennai, I really like the more traditional restaurants, which I've been going to for years. And in Hyderabad, I really like all the meat and the halim. I just love the halim in Hyderabad. But in Chennai, I really prefer eating at someone's home, I think. This is our second look for the day and it's very like Victorian goth meets India inspired. So we have the beautiful Indian silk embroidery but ruffled in a very Victorian way. We have a lovely piece from Amrapali on the head and the ears and a little bit of my own bling. Yeah, so this was the second look. What would I steal from my sister? I think she's a very patient person. Like, she makes beautiful origami and she makes jam and like she's a very meticulous, precise kind of person. So I think if I could steal something from Akshara, it would probably be her patience and her precision, if you can steal that. I am currently working on a film called Crack in Telugu and a film called Labam in Tamil. I'm also working on some independent music for India as well as my international music ventures in UK. And since we've all been in lockdown, I've been writing a lot long distance via Zoom and other audio devices. So lots of work going on and a lot of writing as well. I think I'm quick to react. I've learned to be passive aggressive as I've been working more and more, but I find it really dishonest and slightly manipulative, so I'd rather just be like, you know, like be honest about what I'm feeling. This is our third and final look. It's full of gold, it's a bit risque, but we've done the goth maroon red eyes and gorgeous jewelry from Amrapali and Sahani Pitte, and I absolutely love
the color of this suit. I'd wear it every day if I could.
Let's start with hate. I've been working a lot over a long period of time to remove self-hate. Self-love is one thing, but like judging yourself and being extra critical of yourself in a bad way, because critical thinking is important to be able to assess yourself. But just like, being nasty to yourself is something that I've removed from my thought pattern. And that's helped my life a lot, and it's helped my approach to myself. What do I love most about myself is I think that I'm always open to changing and growing, and I love that. I think that keeps life interesting. I love today's shoot. The look is desi goth, and I think it's a perfect amalgamation of the worlds that I love. My culture, my tradition meets what I've grown up liking and kind of relating to. So today's theme is that, and we worked really hard to kind of achieve a balance. I love my dark goth lips and my black nail polish, and I loved mixing all these beautiful Indian jewelry pieces, and it was a really exciting suit. I love the clothes, I love the jewelry, and doing the hair and makeup was a lot of fun. So this is like a mix of like goth red eyes, but also could be like very easily a Diwali look. So I like kind of going between worlds. Shooting the July cover was really exciting for JFW. I've had the best time today. I love self shoots. I had a little bit of help, but doing your own hair and makeup, putting the looks together on FaceTime with my stylist, Amrita, and coming up with what goes with what. It's a bit time consuming, but at the end of it, it's really, really fun. So I had a really good time, and I hope that everybody really enjoys this homemade JFW cover. I had the best time shooting the July cover for JFW. Make sure you grab your copy of this homemade Desi Goth JFW cover starring me.